Selamat datang ke vlog hari ni. Cuaca yang panas Just remember to pakai korang punya sunscreen So basically korang nampak tadi vlog hari ni is about phone punya launch. Hari ni phone iQOO Neo 10,
which I am currently working on. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because most of you are watching without subscribing to my channel. And I would appreciate you liking this video and sharing it to your friends as well.
Punya launch, dia punya launching event dekat Ampang. Sebenarnya aku tak minat sangat tau nak pergi launching event. But to be honest, kalau nak build relationship dengan brands, this is what I have to do.
So I started off the video with Malay, and then as I progressed, it turned into English. So yeah, I mean, just, you know, hope you guys watch it.
Basically, like the main reason why I don't like going to the events is one, I've become quite an introvert. I like to keep it to myself, do a lot of things just by myself or with my wife. And then like second is it takes up your day because those kind of events is like 2-3 hours, sometimes 4 hours. I know some of you or even some of you tech reviewers who's watching this might even disagree with me, but that's okay, that's your opinion. And plus the products that they're launching is usually only loaned to us. I mean, I don't know, I'm small, I can't really say about those bigger content creators, so I don't know. Let's all be honest for a second here, okay? Everyone prefers something that they can keep. And like the main reason for it is because I would like to do a long-term review of the product, not like a 2-week or 3 weeks. And you know, within that time frame, you wouldn't really be able to like experience the whole entirety of the phone. Ta-da! So here it is, the campus. This is where the event is going to be launched at, somewhere inside. I'm going to get my phone before it gets stolen.
I know it's bad, but I can't help myself. When I feel sad, I escape from my sins. Lately music's been my reminiscence. That's when I listen. Music is the reason why I stay. A cheering melody will fix a...
You know, it's been a while I did any event coverage. You know, like the gym that I went the other day and I just started vlogging again or creating content again. It's a little bit awkward, you know. But I'm just gonna do it. I don't care.
Melancholic heart. The music is the reason. The music is the reason why I stay.
I'm super sweaty. I'm like sweating a lot. It's so hot. I mean, there is a heat wave that's going on, so...
Good. All right, do maintain an energy. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Joel Kwan.
Without force, reached 40 Celsius. The iQOO Neo 10 ensure that many mobile games.
3, 2, 1. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The iQOO Neo 10 is going at 2,199 ringgit for 16 GB ROM and 512 GB.
Right, it's done. That's the event for today, the phone launching of iQOO Neo 10. So I'm gonna be reviewing the phone soon. I'll be publishing that phone. I don't have the phone right now. I'm gonna be getting the phone tomorrow.
I have the phone with me already, by the way.
What I think about the phone is the phone seems to be actually great, you know, like for the specs and the price. You're getting a lot for the price. So I'm excited to be doing a review on that phone.
A little bit of a teaser. I like this phone. I can't lie. I like this phone. There are a few drawbacks, but I'm gonna tell you in that review soon.
So yeah, Alhamdulillah, I think today was a good day. So of course, KL, there's a lot of traffic right now. But before it gets dark, I just want to talk about, you know, the networking side like I was talking about earlier. Really, to be honest, like it really does seem to be a hassle. But the really good thing about these launching events is the networking that you get to do with other content creators, other brands, or anything like that. It's a really good opportunity to meet people. But I completely understand some of you might be new content creators. Some of you may be already experienced content creators. Some of you might not like going out and then just doing your thing at home. And honestly, that kind of way might work for some, but it won't work for everybody. What I'm trying to say is the networking opportunity at those kind of launching events is just something that you might miss out on. But like I said, it's not mandatory because of course it's a relationship that you need to build with the brand, if you know what I mean. You might build relationships with other content creators. You can share some insights. So by networking, it would open up to more opportunities, more doors. It's just something for you guys to think about. Some of you probably were thinking that I would come up with a way you don't have to go to these kind of events, but most opportunities, most relationships are created by meeting with them face to face in person. So I'm gonna end the vlog here because the sun's coming down and then there's basically nothing left for me to say about this. And YouTube thinks you would like this video over here. Appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.